Hello guys, welcome back to another video on a random fire question. Today we're going to be looking at the question 23. There we go. So now we're going to start doing this problem, but first take your time to please subscribe, like and share. I really need that support, and thank you. Let's start. Question 23. Two squares overlap so that a vertex of the larger 25 cm square lies at the center of the smaller 24 cm square as shown. If the distance from A to B is 13 cm, find the number of centimeters in the perimeter of the quadrilateral determined by the overlapping shaded region. So now this problem requires us to zoom in on this screen picture here. So now there's two ways to do this problem, right? Like, the first way is to observe from common sense, I guess you can say, that these two lengths are identical, right? So then this is immediately 13, and that this length, not a good color, this length right over here plus this length, well, this length in red is simply this length in green, right? So you can move it down here, so the actual perimeter is just 13 times 2 from these two, and then 24, which is one side length, which is 50. That is it, and we are done, and hope you enjoyed this video. Like, share, and subscribe, and bye. Actually, no, I am kidding, and do not leave right now. Let me show you the better formalized, kind of proof-ish thing, because that is just very guessy, and you would do that if you're running out of time, because you know you're correct, obviously. But let us do some math properly. So let us assume we are drawing a perpendicular here. Well, since this length is 12, because it's half of the square, this length is also 12, and it's 9 degrees here. So this length is clearly 5 from Pythagoras, which means that this length is also 5, which means this length is 13, because it's simply a similar triangle being rotated. You can prove it's a similar triangle, but I won't now. And you get the idea. You do the rest the same. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Goodbye. And this time, real, for real, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.